restore. I love it. I wanted something I could travel with or I could take it home. I wanted it to be easy and I wanted it to taste great so that children would take it, elderly would take it, and they could support their bodies, not just in the GI, but also in the heart and also in your mind. To do that, you've got to have a product like this. It took me over 1.5 years to make, and I love this product. It's an important product so that you can give your body what it needs to restore. Once you clean things out, you've got to give the restoration to each cell and every part of your body. And while we can't make claims because we're a supplement, we do know that this product has helped people all over the world. It helps give people energy. It helps support their overall health. When I'm extremely tired, I'll take more than 3 of these pouches and sometimes up to 5. You can freeze it, you can put it in the refrigerator, and there's lots of yummy menu items you can do with this as well.